Going gluten-free is easier than you think. It's about enjoying delicious food that makes you feel good. No gluten doesn't mean no taste. We've got a whole day of tasty gluten-free meals to show you how it's done. Gluten-free eating can be good for you. It can help with digestion. It can also give you more energy. It's a great way to try new foods and flavors. Ready to get cooking? Let's get started with a fantastic gluten-free day. Start your day with a bang. These savory avocado and tomato rice cakes are packed with flavor and energy. They are super easy to make. Ingredients: rice cakes, avocado, cherry tomatoes, salt and pepper. Instructions: toast the rice cakes until they are slightly crispy. Mash the avocado and season it with salt and pepper. Slice the cherry tomatoes. Spread the avocado on the rice cakes. Top with the sliced cherry tomatoes. These rice cakes are packed with healthy fats and fiber. They will keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. Enjoy. For a light and satisfying lunch, try these air fryer stuffed mushrooms. They are not only easy to make, but also incredibly delicious and nutritious. They are packed with flavor and nutrients, making them a perfect choice for a quick meal or a delightful appetizer. You only need an air fryer to make them. The ingredients you'll need are mushrooms, cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. These simple ingredients come together to create a mouth-watering dish. Now let's move on to the instructions. First, clean the mushrooms thoroughly and remove the stems. Cleaning the mushrooms ensures that they are free from any dirt or debris, making them ready for stuffing. In a bowl, mix the cream cheese, cheddar cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. This mixture will be the flavorful filling for your mushrooms. Carefully stuff the mushrooms with the cheese mixture, making sure each mushroom is generously filled. Place the stuffed mushrooms into the air fryer. Air fry for 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius until they are golden and bubbly. Mushrooms are a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, selenium, and antioxidants. The cheese adds a boost of protein and calcium, making this dish not only tasty but also beneficial for your health. It's a delicious and healthy way to enjoy lunchtime. Serve these stuffed mushrooms with a side salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Dinner delights: air fryer, sweet potato and black bean quesadillas. Get ready to elevate your dinner game with this delicious and nutritious recipe. Spice up your dinner with these flavorful air fryer sweet potato and black bean quesadillas. They are perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a weekend treat. They are easy to make and bursting with sweet and savory flavors. Ingredients you will need include sweet potato, which adds a natural sweetness and a vibrant color to your dish. Black beans, which are rich in protein and fiber, and red onion for a bit of crunch and sharpness. Spices: cumin, chili powder, paprika to add depth and warmth to the flavor profile, and olive oil to bring it all together. Optional toppings: salsa, guacamole, vegan sour cream to add a creamy and tangy finish. Instructions: first, preheat your air fryer to ensure it's hot and ready for cooking. Toss diced sweet potato, black beans, corn and red onion with olive oil and spices until everything is well coated. Air fry the vegetable mixture until tender, which should take about 10-15 minutes depending on your air fryer. Next, warm the tortillas in the air fryer for a minute to make them pliable and easy to fold. Fill the tortillas with the sweet potato and black bean mixture, spreading it evenly for a balanced bite. Fold the tortillas and air fry until crispy and golden, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins like A and C, and black beans offer a great source of protein and fiber, making this dish both delicious and nutritious. These quesadillas make for a satisfying and healthy dinner that everyone will love. Serve them with your favorite toppings and enjoy. Cool down refreshing cucumber mint cooler. Quench your thirst with this super refreshing cucumber mint cooler. It's a delightful blend of crisp cucumber and invigorating mint. It's the perfect way to end your gluten-free day, offering a burst of freshness with every sip. Ingredients: cucumber, thinly sliced for maximum flavor infusion. Mint leaves, freshly picked for that aromatic touch. Asterisk lemon for a zesty kick. Water, preferably chilled. Ice to keep it cool. Instructions: first, slice the cucumber into thin rounds. Muddle the mint leaves in a pitcher to release their essential oils and aroma. Add the cucumber slices, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and chilled water to the pitcher. Stir well to combine all the ingredients and then add plenty of ice. This cooler is incredibly hydrating and packed with flavor, making it a perfect drink for hot days. Cucumber and mint are known for their cooling properties, making this drink perfect for any time of day, whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. Embrace a healthier you, and there you have it, a full day of delicious and easy gluten-free meals. It's all about keeping things simple and tasty. Remember, going gluten-free is a journey, not a race. Enjoy these recipes and discover a world of flavor. Happy cooking!